Alright guys, so about time I replaced the pneumatic shocks here on the back gate. It really doesn't rise it up that much. And then hit my head a couple times because I think it's up, come around and whack my head on something. So had enough of that and went out and got the, I can find them here. I was gonna buy OEM until I saw the price, so here's what I ended up getting. These Maxpow ones. I got them from Amazon, but I think you can get them from a number of different places. And heard pretty good reviews, so I figured I'd try them. I already did the front, but I figured I'd do a little video here for the rear and see how it goes. So got a 10mm wrench, like everything on your Toyota, and I got a prop rod here. So call me paranoid, but having the hood drop on you is not fun. So I figured this is a little lighter, but wouldn't hurt. Just pop these off. They don't look too bad, but it is a little bit rusty. You seem to see that all in there. A little rusty, but they're definitely a little weaker than what they should be. Let's see what side we got here. They marked. No. Does do. This one. And looks like we've got a perfect match. You can see the sizes are about identical. Maxpow canister seems a hair longer, but the lengths are near identical. They're just a hair longer than the OEM ones, so I'm going to remove the other OEM shock and then put the new ones on at the same time. Alright, I'll put that all on. About the same condition. Seems a little worse, but about the same. Oops. Of course, lost the 10mm. Socket, screw in the other one. Where's the guy? Alright, so first impressions are these are slightly longer, at least this one here on the driver's side appears slightly longer than the one on the passenger side. I don't think that's going to be an issue, but we'll see here. Just a second. Get these tightened up. them all, make sure they're tight. Alright, let's see if this is any better. See if they close. Closing good. Way better. Now I can climb under it. So again, these were the Maxpow ones. I'll put a link in the description there if you guys want to look at something similar. And definitely an easy one.